With winter upon us, tons of salts are being applied to roads, parking lots, and driveways and sidewalks. The Pennsylvania Department of Transportation uses more than 800,000 tons of salt on roadways each winter. Road salt improves safety for drivers and pedestrians. However, all the salt that we apply to streets and sidewalks ends up in our fresh water. Salt pollution is impacting lakes, streams, and drinking water. Road salts, which contain chloride, can reduce oxygen levels in waterways, posing a threat to fish and wildlife, as well as human health. Fish and bugs that live in freshwater streams can't survive in extra salty waters. Water treatment plants are not equipped to filter out the extra salt, so it can end up in your tap water and even corrode your pipes. On January 31st, Stroud Water Research Center hosted a salt snapshot at Borough Hall in Westchester. Citizen scientists from all around the area brought water samples from local streams to test salt levels. A group of Henderson's AP Environmental Science and Aquatic Ecology students participated in the event, bringing samples from our local streams, Goose Creek, and the unnamed tributary that runs behind the student parking lot. On the salt snapshot map, blue dots represent samples with no salt contamination, yellow and orange represent some salt contamination, and red dots have very high salt contamination. Salt levels in Westchester area's samples, including Goose Creek and its tributary, were high to extremely high. Studies indicate that we use much more road salt than is needed. Salt can stay in soil for decades, so it is important that we start making changes now. Citizens can reduce the amount of salt they use and sweep up excess salt before it dissolves. There are programs available to help township leaders distribute salt more responsibly. We all need to work together to minimize the damage of salt contamination because all life depends on clean water.